Alright, we just finished number 2. We're going to take a look at number 3. Hopefully do a little bit better than we did on number 2. So number 3. Number 3, a 75 kilogram box slides down a hill. Alright, so we've got a box sliding down an incline of 25 degrees. The mass of the box is 75 kilograms. That angle is 25, just double checking. We do have an acceleration of 3.6. Mu of k we do not know, and it is... That's what we're looking for. And we'll get to part B here in a second. Alright, before we ever get started, guess what? F of g, mass times acceleration. 75 times 9.81. 735.75. F of g of x, F of g of y. Times the cosine of 25. So that's 666.8. 735.75 times the sine of 25. 310.9. So that's f of g of x, f of g of y. Hopefully that makes sense. Normally I'd say we have a force applied. In this question, there is no force applied. Well, that's actually good for us. We get a little bit of a break. We still have to find f of n. So we take up equals down. F of n equals f of g of y. Okay, that's pretty cool. So f of n is equal to 666.8. And then we have friction. Now we're getting into a problem. F of k we don't know, because it's that. So at this point in time we're kind of stuck. We've got to sit there and go, okay, let's get the sum of the forces in the x direction. They told us, well, hold on, let's speed up, slow down. What's helping us go down the hill, or speeding us up? F of g of x minus f of k. Oh, off the page. Well, we know the mass is 75, and our acceleration they give us in the book was 3.6. F of g of x was 310.9. F of k. F of k we know because it's mu of k times f of n, which is just 666.8. Now it comes down to an algebra problem. 75 times 3.6, that's 270. I'm going to subtract over the 310.9. Negative 40 equals mu of k, negative mu of k, 666.8. I'm going to divide over negative 66.8. My mu of k is equal to 0.0614. Hopefully that helps. A lot of people, I'm not going to do B only because you can go back through and change the mass and work this problem again. and find the new acceleration, keeping the mu of k for this one, but finding the acceleration. Because again, the mu of k shouldn't change because the box type and the floor type hasn't changed. All right? Hopefully this helps. We'll see what questions you have when we come back after Thanksgiving break. Hopefully I'll have a good break.